If you are struggling with hair fall, thinning, or just want longer, healthier, and shinier hair, you are in the right place because I'll be breaking down my entire hair care routine with best products and the tips. For me, pre-wash routine is one of the most important step in my hair care routine because healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. I always start massaging my scalp using a scalp massager. You can choose between a manual one or an electric head massager for deeper stimulation. Scalp massages improve blood circulation, stimulate hair follicle and encourages faster hair growth. मैंने बहुत लोगों को नोटिस किया है कि वो पहले हेयर ऑयलिंग करते हैं एंड देन हेड मसाजर यूज करते हैं विच इज वेरी रॉन्ग. आप नॉर्मली फिंगर यूज कर सकते हो बट प्लीज डोंट यूज मसाजर आफ्टर ऑयलिंग योर स्कैल्प. Next, I move on to oiling my hair, which is a step I genuinely love. For this, I use the Nature Spells Rosemary Hair Oil and I mix in a few drops of Aravi Organic Peppermint Essential Oil. Rosemary is known for stimulating hair growth, strengthening the roots, and reducing hair fall, while peppermints give a refreshing tingling effect that promotes blood circulation. The cooling sensation from peppermint is so relaxing and helps soothe the scalp irritation. I massage this oil onto my scalp with the help of this electric LED head massaging tool, ensuring that it's evenly distributed. Once my scalp is well oiled, I use a neem wooden comb to detangle my hair and further distribute the oil evenly. Unlike plastic combs, wooden combs are gentle on the scalp, help prevent breakage and minimize static and frizz. Combing also improves blood circulation, which further help with hair growth. After this, I dampen my hair slightly because I have low porosity hair and then I apply this Dove 10-in-1 Deep Treatment Hair Mask onto my mid-lengths and ends. This hair mask is an absolute game changer. It deeply repairs damage, restores hydration and leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft and smooth. I leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before washing my hair, allowing it to work its magic and nourish my strands from within. If you are also a low porosity girl, do try it out. Now onto my hair wash. I use products that cleanses without stripping away the moisture. And here I'm using again Nature Spells Rosemary Infused Salt Free Shampoo, which is gentle, sulfate free and enriched with hair strengthening ingredients. This shampoo helps in reducing hair fall, strengthening the roots and maintaining a healthy scalp. Since it's sulfate free, it doesn't dry out my hair or cause irritation, making it a perfect for anyone struggling with hair thinning or breakage. After rinsing out the shampoo, I apply this Redken Extreme Strength Builder Plus Hair Mask, which is packed with proteins and strengthening ingredients. This mask is perfect for weak, damaged, or brittle hair because it repairs the internal structure of the hair, reduces breakage, and strengthens the hair bond. I make sure to leave it on for at least 5 to 10 minutes so that it deeply penetrates my hair strands. To lock in moisture and add shine, I finish my hair wash routine with a normally shine conditioner. This conditioner contains muru butter and jojoba oil, which provide deep hydration, makes my hair silky smooth, and it also enhances the shine. I simply apply it to my mid-lengths and ends, let it sit for a minute, and then rinse it out thoroughly. After hair wash, to keep my hair hydrated, healthy, and frizz-free, I let my hair air dry naturally until it's about 40 to 50% dry. While my hair is still damp, I apply the Redken Acetic Bonding Concentrate leave-in treatment, which is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to strengthen their hair. This treatment helps repair damaged hair, prevent breakage, and it also protects against heat and environmental damage. Once my hair has absorbed the leave-in treatment, I further dry my hair using the K18 hair dryer attachment, which provides controlled airflow and minimizes heat damage. Next, I take my derma roller and gently roll it over my scalp. Derma roller contains tiny micro needles that boost collagen production, improve blood circulation, and enhances product absorption, making it an excellent tool for hair growth. To further nourish my scalp, I apply this Bare Anatomy Advanced Hair Growth Serum and massage it in using my fingertips. This serum is packed with growth boosting ingredients that strengthen the hair from the root, reduces hair fall, and promote faster regrowth. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, making it perfect for everyday use. For my mid-lengths and ends, I use the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil, which is one of my favorite hair oil because it reduces split ends, adds shine, control frizz, and also provide heat protection. This oil is especially great for color-treated or damaged hair as it helps in repairing and strengthening the hair bonds. Instead of using any heat styling tool, I prefer heatless curls to achieve soft, bouncy waves without damaging my hair. I wrap my hair around this overnight heatless curl tool, let it sit overnight, and wake up with beautifully defined curls. To prevent friction, frizz, and hair breakage while sleeping, I wear this silk bonnet. This helps retain moisture, reduces split ends, and keep my hair smooth and tangle-free overnight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more beauty and self-care related content.